Some places don't echo with wind. They whisper secrets no one should ever hear. Ethan thought he was escaping, but the cabin was waiting. The walls creaked like lungs. The shadows moved even when he didn't. And the whispers. They knew his name. Every night, something got closer. Every night, the silence got heavier, until the day he found the diary and realized the cabin remembered him. Want to know what happened when he faced what lived behind the walls? Watch the full video on my channel, and don't forget to subscribe for more terrifying stories.